NASA has warned that the gigantic apocalypse asteroid they captured in a stunning photograph could release 80,000 times more energy than the Hiroshima atomic bomb if it collides with Earth, potentially ending life as we know it. Named Bennu, the 500-foot rock is taller than the Empire State Building and estimated to be 1,664 times heavier than the Titanic. And scientists say a collision with Earth could potentially have a cataclysmic effect on millions of lives. But the space agency insists immediate doomsday preparations won't be necessary, as the rock is not expected to fly by the planet until next century. In the meantime, NASA's OSIRIS-Rex is currently orbiting the asteroid on an observatory mission, with plans to land on its surface in 2020. The probe captured a stunning image this week, showing the Earth and the Moon resembling a mere dot in the distance to the 87-million-ton asteroid. OSIRIS-Rex will collect samples of the rock before returning to Earth, hopefully helping to unlock some of the secrets behind the origins of human existence. Scientists hope the asteroid will help to prove a theory that billions of years ago asteroids colliding with our planet transferred vital chemicals to the Earth's surface, prompting living organisms to formulate. How will NASA's OSIRIS-Rex mission to take samples from an asteroid work? What did NASA find? Data obtained from the spacecraft's two spectrometers, the OSIRIS-Rex Visible and Infrared Spectrometer (OVIRS) and the OSIRIS-Rex Thermal Emission Spectrometer (OTES), reveal the presence of molecules that contain oxygen and hydrogen atoms bonded together, known as hydroxyls. The team suspects that these hydroxyl groups exist globally across the asteroid in water-bearing clay minerals, meaning that at some point, Bennu's rocky material interacted with water. While Bennu itself is too small to have ever hosted liquid water, the finding does indicate that liquid water was present at some time on Bennu's parent body, a much larger asteroid. But Bennu, dubbed the Apocalypse asteroid, also carries a potential threat of extinction. Scientists say if Bennu collided with Earth, the impact would release more energy than all the nuclear weapons detonated in history. Reassuringly though, NASA insists the chances of it colliding around 1 in 2,700 are very slim, and humans would likely live to see another day, even if it did. But on the contrary, should the rock defy the odds, experts say the spacecrafts designed by NASA to stop asteroids would likely be ineffective against Bennu. There may be hope for their newest venture, the Hammer Hypervelocity Asteroid Mitigation Mission for Emergency Response Vehicle that's designed to either blow up asteroids with nuclear bombs or steer the asteroid onto a different course. However, experts say that just one hammer is likely to be as ineffective as its predecessor against Bennu, unless the less favorable nuclear option is utilized. The consequences would be dire, said Kirsten Howley, a physicist at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory who is part of the planetary defense team. Share this article. Share. For scientists, launching just one deflector craft to Bennu could take up to 7.5 years. And Howley believes it's better to act sooner rather than later in precautionary preparation. The push you need to give it is very small if you deflect the asteroid 50 years out. The probability of a Bennu impact may be 1 in 2,700 today, but that will almost certainly change, for better or worse, as we gather more data about its orbit. Delay is the greatest enemy of any asteroid deflection mission, she said.